Hello, foodies and cooking enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our culinary journey. Today, we're diving into the world of avocado and lime pasta, a dish that's not only healthy, but also packed with flavors. You know, they say Mick Jagger, the rock and roll legend, is a huge fan of this dish. It's no surprise, it's a perfect blend of creamy avocado and tangy lime. It's the kind of dish that leaves you wanting more. So, let's start cooking. First up, let's prepare our pasta. Now, remember this crucial bit. Always opt for fresh pasta. The difference in taste is immense. Once your pasta is cooked to perfection, it's time to move on to our star ingredients. Now, onto the fun part, slicing the avocado and lime. Avocado can be a little tricky, but with a sharp knife and a gentle touch, you'll get perfect slices every time. As for the lime, make sure you don't overdo it. Just enough juice will do for this recipe. Now comes the cooking part. Boil everything together in a pan until everything melts together into one tasty dish. And voila! You have your very own avocado and lime pasta ready to serve. Isn't cooking just amazing? It's a science in itself. But don't forget about safety. Always ensure fresh produce and keep your knives sharpened. And remember to have fun while cooking. After all, food brings people together from all walks of life. So there you have it, your very own avocado and lime pasta recipe. Don't forget to share your version with us in the comments below. Until next time, keep cooking and keep spreading love through food. Thanks for watching, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes like this one. Until next time, happy cooking!